Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. मेरा नाम प्रांजलि है। आज मैं आपके सामने गांधी जी को नमन करते कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। सच्चाई की राहों पर चलकर ज्ञान का दीप जलाया था, सत्य और अहिंसा का मार्ग अपना कर देश को आजाद कराया था। जाति धर्म का भेदभाव ओ बुलाकर सबको गले लगा था। प्रेम भाव से रहने का संदेश बापू ने फैलाया था। लक्ष्य हमेशा ऊंचा रखे, सच्चाई की राहों पर चलो, मंजिल तुमको मिल जाएगी। हर बाधाओं से लड़ते चलो, विनम्रता अपने स्वभाव से। कितने आंदोलन किए थे देश की खातिर, खुद की जिंदगी जीना भूल गए। आज भी दुनिया 2 अक्टूबर के दिन प्यार से बनाती है उनका जन्म। उस महान व्यक्ति को हर भारतवासी का कोटि कोटि नमन। हैप्पी गांधी जयंती टू ऑल ऑफ यू। धन्यवाद। Please give a big round of applause for them. Now we would like to call upon stage our respected principal ma'am to say a few words on this auspicious day.
So, if you allow me, I'm taking off my mask here. I think today's assembly that I saw was a beautiful, beautiful example of what teamwork can do. When people with similar goals, similar likes, similar aims, similar hard work capacity come together, they create miracles. And that was what was created on stage today. So I think, clap for your teachers. But more than that, teachers clap for the children. That long poem is memorized. And I would like everybody to call it out and shout it out for the 2 compares. They were excellent, ma'am. Excellent, I would say. I mean, I was watching them. Not even once it seemed as if they were what you call dependent on a script. They were speaking as if it was just impromptu, which I understand must have been rehearsed, but look at the work that they have put in, that you came out such 100% flawless, Petu. What's your name? Kaushiki and?
Ishita.
Wow, Kaushiki and Ishita, I'll also learn how to speak from you, right? So clap for them, children, and we want everybody to speak like that, right? And on that note, we would like you to remember 2-3 points which I think you will remember. One, what? Keep your surroundings clean. Okay? So when you are in the class, do not throw any pencil shaving or any used napkin which comes out from your tiffin around your desk or around the dustbin. Will you remember that part? Right. Second, when you go out with mama and papa to some mall or to some bazaar or to some market or to some any place, you take a chips packet just because you are feeling hungry. Do not throw that empty packet on the road. Is that clear? Okay, now, when you're sitting with your partner, sometimes you have to help them also. Maybe your partner by mistake forgets to bring a thing. So what will you do? If you have 2 things, what will you do? You will share. Very good, that girl. Very good. Okay, now you remember this much? Fourth thing, Gandhi Jayanti. So what you must remember should be that while playing, while walking in the corridor, while climbing up and down the staircase, never ever push a child. Okay? Because when you push the child from the back, the child may fall. And that creates a lot of injury. So there is a difference between play, that is game, and hurting each other. Okay? So be very careful with your movements of legs and hands. This much is clear to all of you? And the last and the most important, I am taking only short points here. We will be taking more points with you in the days to come. And last point, that is, above all, remember one thing, that we love you all, right? So happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Oh, thank you so much. I'll also remember these points, and I promise you that I'll also not, spread dirtiness or litter the ground. I'll also do all that. I'll also not push any teacher while walking on the staircase. I'll also make friends and smile, and I promise you that I'll also share my things. So teachers are invited anytime you want to come too. And I do share the red pens and everything, right? So with that, we'll all grow together and we'll all become rightfully Indian. In the spirit, in the heart, in the mind, in the body, and in the soul, right? Thank you.